Hindi kailanman maaarot ng isip ng kahit nino man yung laki at lalim at lawak ng ipinagkaloob ni Jesus na kanyang sarili at kanyang pag-ibig sa krus. Therefore, as Christians, by the way, mga kapatid, whenever we say Christian, whenever you refer to yourself as Christian, whenever we refer to our church, to ourselves as Christian, let us always isipin agad na when we say Christian, we are followers. Mga tigasunod ni Kristo. It's not, please remove it from your thought that Christian is a label or is a category. Don't ever put on Christianity as sort of parang tatak. But instead, when you say Christian, when you claim Christian, you're saying tagasunod. I am a follower. I am anong tawag nito? Buntot ako ni Jesus. Amen. Amen po ba?
Amen.
Let's give our hands to the Lord. So, kung ganun ang ginawa ni Jesus sa Calvary, that He gave His all for each and every one of us, therefore, as Christian, as follower of Christ, as nakabuntot kay Kristo, our attitude, what we feel, our endeavor, our goal or what we want to do, and our posture, how we want to do it. Let me repeat that. So as a Christian, our attitude, our endeavor, and our posture, so basically what we feel, what we want to do, and how we want to do it, we do it all for Jesus. Amen. Pagpakan ko natin si Lord. Kasi yun yung ginawa ni Lord. He gave all. So, kung tayo talaga bumubuntot kay Jesus, kung tayo talagang sumusunod kay Kristo, kung tayo talaga ay Christian, nakaanig, nakasunod kay Kristo, then we follow suit. We follow the same. We give our all. We love, but with our all. We give with our all. Amen? Amen po ba? Amen. So, in the context of Christianity, in the Christian context, when we say all of me, totoo po yun. Hindi lang po siya kanta, hindi lang po siya kasal, hindi lang po siya ginugulita tuwing may kasal, or birthday ng iyong minamahal, o iniiraw, or God forbid, Valentine's Day. Okay? Hindi lang sa mga panahon na yun naaalala ng salitang all of me, but the concept, the entire idea of all of me in the Christian context ay the two sides. It's always two sides. Para siyang bagya. It's always, it's a parable, two sides of the coin. Ano yun? All of me living for Jesus, and all of me living for, ano kaya yung isa? If the other side of the coin is all of me living for Jesus, the other side of the coin is all of me living for others. Remember,